Hi, my name's Cade Sicophrenius, and I'm a junior software developer at Proofgeist. Welcome back to our walkthrough of how to configure Microsoft Single Sign-On for your FileMaker solution. In previous videos, we have created our app registration as well as our client secret and copied those corresponding values back into the FileMaker Server Admin Console. We have also edited our manifest, added a user, created a group, and added that user to the group. In this video, we'll be going over the final steps, which are going to be configuring your FileMaker Security Manager correctly to allow that group to sign into your FileMaker solution. So as you see here, I've got my FileMaker app open, Proof Demo, and we're going to open up the Security Manager. We'll then want to select Authenticate via Microsoft Azure AD, and then we're going to add a new group. Now it's very important, once you've clicked New and this pops up, it will default to user, but you want to select group. Now, for Microsoft in particular, we don't enter the group name. We actually need to enter the ID, which is why I've got the portal open right here. So the group we created before was developers, so I'm going to select that. And then you'll see object ID here. So we need to copy that value and paste it in group name. This is one of the drawbacks to using Microsoft for single sign-on is you can't look at your FileMaker security and know which group is which without clicking on them and looking at descriptions or looking at privilege sets or things like that. So now that we've got our object ID in there, let's go ahead and select our privilege set. I'm going to select full access. The last thing we need to do is check that our privilege set has the correct settings. So any single sign-on requires that privilege set to have access via FileMaker Network FM app selected, which we do. So let's go ahead and save our changes and close our solution. Now I'm going to reopen it and try to sign in with our Microsoft single sign-on. If I select Microsoft, select the account in that group, hit accept. This is just letting you know that this is not a Microsoft app. You'll see that we have done every step correctly and gotten into our FileMaker solution. So I hope this helps you configure Microsoft Single Sign-On for your app. Thanks for watching and have a great day.